जय भीम, जय सावित्री, जय जौहर। माय नेम इज़ अमित वासनिक। मैं यहाँ आया था एक सेशन के लिए फॉर द बूट कैम्प विच वाज स्पेसिफिकली इन रिगार्ड्स टू मास्टर स्टडीज़। अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस, बहुत अच्छा लगा स्टूडेंट से मिलके। All the intellectual talks we had, it was beyond my reach as well. I am really, this is all helping me to learn, unlearn, and again learn. And um, whatever inputs I have been putting in, I think these people are doing much more, and this will keep going on. Thank you so much for Raju for introducing me to Eklavya, and the presence of Eklavya for each individual student who is coming here will be tremendous. Thank you again. Thank you so much. This is aligning towards what the cause is, what I believe should be towards the betterment of the society. The society is getting even better because of the work which is been put down by the volunteers of Eklavya, the staff, the people who are working around, and also the student जो जे घडत आहेत ते स्टुडंट्स. सो स्टुडंट्स परत येतात, स्टुडंट्स इथे टॉक्स पण देतात, आणि स्टुडंट्स थांबत नाही की ते विसरत नाही. आणि हा जो कल्चर क्रिएट केलेला आहे, आय जस्ट रिअलाइज आय एम स्पीकिंग इन 3 लँग्वेजेस. एनिवे, सो हा जो कल्चर क्रिएट केलेला आहे हा खूपच अतिशय प्रभावशाली आणि इम्प्रेसिव्ह आहे माझ्यासाठी. आय हॅव बिन मोटिवेटेड अगेन, अँड right now I'm rethinking my life because of all this young blood. I'm again rethinking of maybe doing something extra. The motivation, the inspiration which I'm getting from Eklavya and these all people around is unmatched. This work is unreal. This whole campus is unreal as well. The plantation, and these artworks by Siddesh. So everything is unreal. Very motivational. All the quotes, you will come here, you'll learn a lot of things. You'll also come here, and this will create a good gap. It is called as good gap between what you used to do and what you will be going to do right now, being in this campus, which I experienced. So thank you so much for this experience, and I'll come back soon. Thanks.